pretty sure that's the ocean. Our neighbors are having fun. What the heck? Those aren't owls though. Yeah.
Oh.
I think we all did.
It's like you can't even see that there are clouds until it lightning.
Yeah, but my video isn't nearly as
Over
you
there,
guys.
lightning strike. Where those blue lights are.
People out there fishing. I guess it's so far.
Oh.
That
Oh.
was beautiful.
It's like the lightning strikes are
There's
out
no better
today.
light show that I've ever seen. This is better than fireworks.
100%.
Uh-huh.
Because this lasts for hours.
Is it the 4th of July again? Good one.
Oh.
20th, I think the 20th or 22nd. It's the 22nd of October. Do you want to make that lightning day?
I tell you, there's something going on. It's beautiful. Some of it over the moon. Crazy. Really back.
Oh. That was so cool.
You videoing too, Al?
Yeah.
I took probably 300 pictures.
Maybe that's why your phone died so quickly, because of all your pictures. Do you keep all of them?
I'm afraid to turn it off.
I know. I'm afraid I'm going to miss something great.
Oh.
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 The best. We got it. Abigail, I told Alan it's like when you're looking for falling stars, you know?
Yeah.
Say, if I see one more, I'll go inside. And wait a minute, maybe I'll see a better one.
Huh?
I'm still eating fish and salt. It's so good.
Is it good with the seasoning salt?
Yes. I think that's the salt.
See, I think it's pretty good without using egg.